Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we discuss about a one cue card. Its name is describe an occasion when you got incorrect information. Its cues are: what was the information, when did it happen, why did it happen, how you managed the situation. There are few moments when I received incorrect information. However, today I am going to share an instance when I got wrong information while buying new mobile phone. It was about 2 years before when my old phone was damaged. Hence I planned to buy new smartphone. I went to AB Mall where I found various new branded smartphone models. Out of all these, I found A31 model, which was a little bit more attractive than other smartphones. Moreover, it was branded by Samsung company. Honestly speaking, I made my decision to buy that mobile phone after knowing about various attractive features by salesman. He told me about expandable memory feature, 10 times camera zoom and many more. In addition, he also told me about face lock feature. To be honest, I was impressed by the features. These all features were as same as iPhone and I purchased instantly. Beside this, I bought in 12,000 rupees. When I come home and started using, I felt cheated. There was not any single feature which was told by salesman. I was full of anger and went back to mall. I began shouting at the seller for telling a lie to sell the phone. Immediately, store manager came to know the whole situation and apologized for this inconvenience. Surprisingly, I came to know that seller told me lie to complete the target for Samsung company. That's why he gave me incorrect information to sell the smartphone. Moving further, manager offered me to exchange mobile phone without extra charges, as well as he gave extra 10% discount. On the other hand, manager also told the salesman to resign the job for that reason, but I handled that situation carefully and requested him to forgive this time. Finally, I got new mobile phone with all needed feature and came back at home happily. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.